Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing our experience staying at the incredible Lexis Suites Penang. We visited back in August, and let me tell you, this place was truly unforgettable. Lexis Suites Penang is known for its luxurious suites, and they definitely lived up to the hype. We stayed in one of their high rise suites, and it was absolutely stunning. The views were breathtaking, especially from our balcony. We had two comfortable double beds, a small pantry, and a luxurious bathroom. And get this, we had our own private swimming pool right there. Seriously, having a private pool on your balcony was the ultimate luxury. We spent hours lounging in the pool, enjoying the incredible sea views. It was so relaxing. The pool was perfectly maintained and the water was always crystal clear. It was the perfect way to cool off after a day of exploring the island. Besides the amazing pool, the suite itself was incredibly spacious and well appointed. Now, let me talk about the negatives of the hotel. First of all, even after informing in advance, we were not served proper vegetarian breakfast, and the staff did not seem to care about it. Also, some areas like the reception, the lobby, and the lift areas were not very posh uh, in terms of interior, and the service was a bit disappointing. Have you ever stayed at a hotel with a private pool on the balcony? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching.